Okay, in today's video, we will solve these 5 different percentage questions. It will be a very interesting video and you will become expert in solving percentage problems. So we will start from question number 1. Okay, this is the first question. What is 10% of 30? So always remember that wherever what comes, this means x. Is equals to, now 10% of means multiply, and 30 we will write as it is. So now we get the equation, we can solve it. X is equals to, change this percentage sign and write 100 in denominator, multiply by 30, cut 0, so we are left with 3. So the answer is 3. So the question was, what is 10% of 30? 10% of 30 is 3. Okay, question number 2. What percent of 35 is 70? What percent means x percent? Because it is the unknown, so we will take x. Of means multiply, then 35 is equals to 70. So first we have to take this 35 on the right hand side. Over here the sign is multiply, so on the right hand side it will be divided by 70. 35 ones are 35, 2s are 70. Now we have to remove this percentage sign. Okay, so 100 will come in denominator. So we know that this 100, when we will take this 100 to the right hand side, it will multiply by 2, and hence the answer is 200. So now see, what percent of 35 is 70? 200%, we have to write, sorry, the percentage sign as well. If we take out 200% of 35, the answer will be 70. Okay, so question number 3. 20% of what number is 45? So how we will make the equation? Write 20% as it is. Of means multiply. What number? We will write x because it is the unknown. Is equal to 45. So we have converted this question into the equation, and now we will simply solve this. Percentage sign, remove this percentage sign and write 100 in denominator, multiply by x is equals to 45. Now 20 upon 100 is on the left hand side and it is multiplied by x. So we will take this to the right hand side, and what will happen? It will become 100 upon 20. So now we can easily solve this. Cut this 0 with this 0, and 2 ones are 2 fives are 10. 45 multiplied by 5 is 225. So this is the answer, and now see what we have find out. 20% of what number? So this number is 25. If you take out 20% of 225, the answer will be 45. Okay, now we move to question number 4. And in this question, 44 is what? 44 is 40% of what number? So write 44 first is equal to, then 40% of means multiply, and what number? Again we have to write x because it is unknown. So now we have the equation, so we can solve it. 44 is equals to 40, remove this percentage sign, multiply by x. So remember that right hand side we have 40 upon 100. When we will take this whole 40 upon 100 to the other side, we have to write it as a reciprocal. Means 100 will move to numerator, and 40 in denominator. Multiply by 44 is equals to x. And now we can simply solve this. Cut this 0. 4 ones are 4, 11s are 44. 10 multiplied by 11, we will have the final answer. X is equals to 110. Okay, so what is this 110? The question was 44 is what percent? 44 is 40% of what number? This is the number. If we take out 40% of this number, we will get 44. Okay, so the last question is 15 is what percent of 60? So right is equals to sign, then what percent? Again we have to, it is unknown, write x percent, of means multiply by 60. So first take the 60 to the other side, and now remove this percentage sign, it is 100 in denominator. Now we have to take this 100 to the other side, and it will multiply by this 15 upon 100. So we cut the 0 first. Now 3 2s are 3, 5s are 15, 2 1s are 2 5s are 10, and 5 times 5 is 25%. Now just see what we have find out over here. 15 is what percent of 60? If we take 15, 25% of 15, we will get 60 as the answer.